How to find who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these three lines and these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and now just click privacy and scroll down, and here all you need to do is just click groups and you can find who can add you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.